Welcome to Finosutra's IIND AS 116 Lease Accounting Calculator, a purpose-built tool for computing lease liabilities, right-of-use assets, and the complete IIND AS 116 disclosure package without building a single spreadsheet formula yourself. Let's navigate to the tool and walk through a complete lease computation, from input to audit-ready output. We begin under Core Lease Details. The commencement date marks the start of the lease term. Here, the 18th of August, 2026. The lease term is entered in months. We'll use 72 months or 6 years. Next, the incremental borrowing rate, the discount rate used to compute the present value of lease payments under paragraph 26 of IND AS 116. We'll apply 8.5% per annum, which the tool converts to a periodic monthly rate automatically. Under Payment Details, we specify the lease payment, 45,000 rupees, and the payment frequency, which can be monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annual. Payment timing matters too. Beginning of period for an annuity due or end of period for an ordinary annuity. This determines whether the first payment reduces the liability before or after interest accrues. Now captures initial direct costs and lease incentives, both of which adjust the right-of-use asset on initial recognition. After that, lets us set a reporting date, a balance sheet snapshot date, so the tool can show the exact lease position as at that date, useful for quarter-end or year-end reporting. With all parameters entered, we click Calculate Lease Schedule. Instantly, the tool returns the full computation. The initial lease liability, the present value of future lease payments, comes to 25,49,092 rupees, matching the right-of-use asset on initial recognition, since no direct costs or incentives were involved here. Monthly depreciation, computed on a straight-line basis over the lease term, is 35,404 rupees. Total interest expense over the full lease term is 6,90,907 rupees. Below that, the balance sheet snapshot, as at our chosen reporting date, 31st March 2027, shows the ROU asset net book value, the current and non-current portions of the lease liability, cumulative interest and depreciation to date, and the remaining lease term. Everything a preparer needs for the balance sheet split, computed automatically. The Amortization Schedule tab lays out all 72 monthly periods, opening liability, interest accrued, payment made, principal reduction, and closing liability, alongside the parallel right-of-use asset depreciation and closing net book value. Scrolling through, the schedule ties out precisely total interest of 6,90,907 rupees, total payments of 32,40,000 rupees, and a closing liability of 0 at lease end, exactly as it should reconcile. The Journal Entries tab converts this schedule directly into postable accounting entries. Journal Entry 1 records initial recognition, debiting right-of-use asset and crediting lease liability for 25,49,092 rupees. Journal Entry 2 is the monthly interest accrual, using the effective interest method, debiting finance cost and crediting lease liability. Journal Entry 3 records the lease payment itself, debiting lease liability and crediting bank. And Journal Entry 4 records monthly depreciation on the right-of-use asset. Each entry is fully explained, ready to hand to your accounting team or import into your ERP. The Lease Summary tab consolidates every key figure, lease terms, financial summary, and balance sheet impact into a single audit-ready view, aligned throughout within AS 116 and IFRS 16. The Annual Roll Forward tab restates the entire schedule on an Indian financial year basis, April to March, so preparers can lift figures directly into statutory financial statements year by year. The Disclosure Note tab generates the note itself. Maturity analysis of undiscounted lease payments by time bucket, movement in the right-of-use asset, and the additional quantitative disclosures required under paragraphs 52 to 60 of IND AS 116, including total cash outflow, interest expense, depreciation charge, and the incremental borrowing rate applied. The Comparative tab lets us benchmark the balance sheet position across two reporting dates. Invaluable when preparing period-over-period movement schedules for audit review. Finally, the Early Exit tab handles lease termination. Entering a termination effective date and any penalty, the tool computes the derecognition entry under paragraph 46(b), writing off the right-of-use asset and lease liability with the difference recognized as a gain or loss in profit and loss. Here, terminating on 31st January 2028 results in a loss on lease termination of 1,15,852 rupees, fully computed and journal ready. From initial recognition through to termination, every IND AS 116 requirement is handled in one workflow. No manual amortisation tables, no formula errors, and output that's ready for your auditors. This has been the Finosutra IND AS 116 Lease Accounting Calculator. Try it free at finosutra.com.